How to fix Twitter notification not working. In order for you to fix this issue, let's get started with the video. Start by heading over to your application X. Once you have been logged into your account, now what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and move into Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and move into Notifications. Head over to Filters at the very top. Now move into Muted Notifications. If any of the notification that you want to receive is muted, then all you gotta do is toggle on this button. Once done, now go back and head over to Preferences. Move into Push Notifications. You have to make sure that all of these options are turned on. Similarly, move into SMS notifications and turn it on. And then move into Email notifications and turn on all of these notifications. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to Settings. Scroll down and then head over to Notifications. Over here, search for the application X or Twitter and then move into it. In this page, make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. Once you have toggled on, you will be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.